Hello viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop autoplay video on LinkedIn. Let's see how to do it. First of all, open your LinkedIn app, tap on profile icon in the top left corner, tap on settings, tap on account preference, scroll down and here you can see autoplay video option. Tap here. Here you can see three options: never autoplay videos, Wi-Fi connection only, and then on mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. Tap on never autoplay videos. That's it. In this way you can easily turn on never autoplay videos on LinkedIn app. Thank you so much everyone. Subscribe for more updates.